To set your phone to always read colors name aloud in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Under interaction section, tap answering and ending calls. Tap the gray on option next to read color names aloud to enable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is on. Next, tap read color names aloud and then select always. By choosing this option, from now your phone will always read the color names aloud. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.